Hey, how you doing? This is Watchman Lee. We got another police video. Watch with me. Late night, holidays. I'm just chilling, about to go to bed, but I figured I'd look at something, so give you guys something to watch. Let's go ahead and jump into it.
On November 10th, 2023, an officer responded to a trespass incident at Walmart after a woman in the parking lot refused to leave.
All right, I'm not gonna.
You are trespassed from here. You come back here, I take you to jail. Well, use the other one. Do not come back here, you trespass. Management just trespass you. If you come back, you go to jail.
Come in your stall, it's been money.
You come back, you go to jail, ma'am. You've been trespassed.
Talk for him.
Oh, he. Let it.
You told me not to talk, so I ain't
Yeah,
saying
you were
You know
trespassed.
that, don't lie on me.
You were trespassed, and you need to leave. You need to leave.
Did I not?
You need to leave.
So why are you talking to me like this? Why are you talking about? So you mean to tell me
just said you
trespassed?
trespassed.
Walmart and spend my money?
You cannot.
Yes, I can. You don't have paper.
Then come back and see what happens.
I have appointments.
Come back and see what happens. You have a good day. You're trespassed.
So
You
what
come
do
back.
do about my scheduled appointment?
there's other.
Walmart's. You come back, you go to jail.
My scheduled appointment to Walmart?
You are trespassed.
I am not trespassed. Where's my paper?
So here we go again. People not listening to what is obvious told to them. They told her, the police told her she's trespassed. She's arguing that she's not, which means she's going to do what she wants to do. It's not going to end up well. You see these things from the very beginning. If you don't have enough patience to listen to what somebody's telling you, you're never going to get the right outcome. Because these are the people that are going to make the choice whether they're going to arrest you or not. You're fighting something that you can't win because you're playing in their game, but you're playing by your own rules, and it never works out.
It's on body camera.
Give me my paperwork for my
There's no paperwork. You come back, you go to jail.
Where is my paperwork? You're not going to send me to jail? No. Hold on, wait. Here's my ID.
Oscar,
Trespass me from
868.
here. I need
Did you put
paperwork
me
for
on
that.
22?
I need paperwork for that. I need paperwork. You're not going to take me to
Yeah,
jail.
you can send me a 45.
I'm going to sue your ass.
All right, now you're going to go to jail. You don't leave, you're going to go to
I'm
jail.
gonna trespass
I do not
you.
care.
You have paperwork.
You are
I need
trespassed.
paperwork for my
You're going to go to jail. You're going to go to jail. You're trespassed.
You want me to be trespassed here, sir?
He already said it. You're
And I
trespassed.
need paperwork for that.
You get no paperwork.
Yes, I do get paperwork for
Listen,
that.
you guys want to press charges?
No.
If you don't,
You want me to get trespassed?
let her know she's
Paperwork for that.
trespassed. If you don't leave, you're going to go to
You
jail.
are trespassed from this Walmart. If you do not leave, you're going to go to jail.
I need paperwork.
You don't need paperwork.
Yes, I do need
It's on
paperwork.
here.
I need paperwork.
Ma'am, you are going to go to jail.
I'm not being belligerent. I'm not being
Okay.
violent.
We're
I need-
done.
I need paperwork
We're
for my
done.
trespassing.
You're going to go to jail.
You're not finna arrest
You
me.
guys want to you guys want to press charges?
She's refusing to leave, and she's
The hell?
trespassed.
I'm
So
not
you do-
refusing.
So she's still trying to be rebellious for no reason. She's like, you're not going to do this, you're not going to do that. But you see, as soon as he grabbed them handcuffs, she moved back to the car, and now she's ready to go. But she don't have enough sense to stop talking trash.
Then leave now or you go to jail.
I'm suing.
Then sue. Leave or you go to jail now.
I'm
You
suing
can sue me
you.
all day. You come back, I take you to jail.
What's your badge number?
35206.
Can you write it down for me?
No.
Have it?
Leave.
No, I need your information. I have to write it.
Officer Joseph, 35206. You will not get a card.
Officer Joseph?
Yes, you
Okay.
35206.
Hold on, let me write it down.
Ma'am, this is the last one I'm going to give you.
Give me your badge
Leave
number.
right now or you go to
Now,
jail.
what's your badge number?
Get out the car.
Sir.
Get out the car.
I have the right to ask you for your badge.
You're under
Don't
arrest.
touch me. Don't touch me. You don't touch me.
You're under arrest.
Don't touch me.
You were going to jail.
Sir, I just asked you for your badge number.
You're going to jail.
All I needed was your badge
I'm going to need
number.
a statement. I'm going to need a statement. You're going to jail.
No, I'm not going to jail. For asking you for your badge number?
You're going to jail.
For asking you for your badge number?
Get out of the car.
No, give me my keys. Give me my keys.
You just earned your ticket to
Give me
jail.
my keys. No,
Ma'am, I'm gonna pepper spray you.
don't pepper.
You're under arrest.
You can't do this to a woman.
You're-
You cannot do this to a woman.
You under
You
arrest.
cannot
Get
do-
out of the car.
You cannot do this to a
Get
woman.
out of the car.
Let me say this to all the women out there. Breaking the law and being a woman does not excuse you that you broke the law. Everybody says you can't do this to a woman. I'm a woman. You guys work so hard for equal rights. And as soon as something happens, you can't do this to a woman. I'm a woman. Why are you doing this to me? Don't play by two rules if you believe in equal rights. Just don't do it.
You cannot do this to a woman, sir. You can give me my. You cannot do this to a woman.
You're under arrest. Stop. You're under arrest.
You cannot
Stop
do this
it.
to a. I'm not doing
I'm gonna
anything.
charge you with resistance.
I am not
Put your hands
resisting.
behind your back.
I am not. I'm going
Put
to
your hands
sue you,
behind your back.
Officer
Put your
Joseph.
hands behind.
Also, if you're in this situation and he moves you over to the grass, he's thinking about taking you to the ground. Now, be aware of this, because if you're in this situation, he moves you near grass, stop fighting if you don't want to get thrown to the ground.
Only thing I did was ask you for your badge number.
Can you
Only
go
thing
back?
I did was ask you for your badge
Put your hands
number.
behind your back.
The only thing I've asked you for your badge number. That's all I asked you for.
You're going to jail.
Only thing I've asked you was.
So,
What are you looking for? Well, I'm not gonna hurt you. Oh, the only thing I've asked you for is your badge
I'm
number.
gonna charge you with
I
resistance.
am not resisting you. I am not resisting you. You are a camera. Are you serious? Are you serious? I have to go to work.
Stop moving.
I am not moving. Why are you pretending?
You're going to jail.
Why are
For
you
re-
pretending?
You're going to jail for resisting
I'm
and for
not
trespass
going to
after
jail.
warning.
Where is another officer? Call another officer to the scene. You are lying. You are out of line. You are completely out of line, Officer Joseph. Only thing I did was ask you for your badge number. Are you serious right now? The only thing I've asked you is for your badge number. Why are you doing all this to me like I'm resisting your arrest? Why are you yanking on me, pulling all on me? You're not supposed to do this to a woman.
You are going to
You are
jail.
not supposed to do this to a woman.
You're going to jail.
You're not supposed to
I
do this
gave
to
you
a woman.
multiple warnings.
You didn't give me
They
no
give
food.
you warnings.
Why are you hurting me?
Stop
Why
moving.
are you hurting me?
Stop moving.
I'm
Relax.
not moving.
Stop.
Why are you hurting me? You know I'm not
I'm
moving.
done- I'm done talking.
You know
You're going
damn
to
well
jail.
I'm not moving. Why are you hurting
You're
me?
going to jail.
Why are you hurting
Where's
me?
your ID?
I just tried to give it to you for you to trespass me, remember? Why are you hurting me? Why are you hurting me? You know I'm not, I just tried to give you my ID,
It's
dude.
too late for that. It's too
It's
late for
not
that.
too late for that.
You're going to
You
jail.
have a whole dash camera on. I just asked you for your information. Give me my keys to my vehicle.
You're going.
Give me
Listen.
my
You want
belongings.
me to drag you?
My belongings and my keys to my vehicle. My belongings and my keys to my vehicle. Are you serious right now? Are you serious right now, dude? I have the right to ask you for your badge number.
I give
have
you
the
my
right
badge
to copy that
number.
information.
I give you my badge
I did
number.
not write it down. I did not write it down, sir. I was trying to log it in my phone, sir. Why are you yanking me around like this? Why are you yanking me around like this? I am going to sue you, Joseph. I am going to sue you on my word. I promise you on
You
all
can
my
sue me all you want. I don't give a damn.
Sir, I am going to sue you.
You're going to jail right now.
For no reason.
Oh,
For
yeah.
no reason. I am going to jail for no reason. Can you stop pulling me like I'm a criminal?
You are a criminal.
No, I am
if
not a
you've been
criminal.
trespassed, you didn't listen, so
No,
you're
I
going
am
to jail.
not trespassed. You did not
Okay.
give me any paperwork.
Hey, can
Sir.
one of you guys get me a statement?
Listen,
If they tell you you're arrested and you fight them and they handcuff you, you're a criminal. Them pulling you around like a criminal is the right thing for them to do. There's got to be a check with reality, because y'all act like reality isn't real. Stuff's going on. You're like, why you treat me like a criminal? Because you're a criminal. You broke the law. You're getting arrested. But we keep on fighting it. I just don't understand it.
So you
I
put
did
on
not do
statement?
anything to this officer.
Yeah.
The only thing I did was ask him for his badge number. He gave me out my vehicle.
You were going to jail for trespass after warning
I am going to
and
jail for
resisting
sitting
an
in my
officer.
vehicle. I am going to jail for sitting in my vehicle. Sir, I have not been trespassed after warning. Are you serious? Are y'all serious?
Spread your feet.
Sir, I have not done anything. He just yanked me out of my vehicle.
I'm searching you right now. I'm
I'm
searching you right now. Do you have anything on you?
I'm going to sue
Do you have a? You can sue me all you want.
I am going to sue you. He had just harassed me. He had just pulled me and yanking me around. I am not resisting arrest at all. Why am I being arrested?
Get in the car. Get in the car.
Y'all cannot do this to a woman.
Officers then interviewed the Walmart employee to uncover what led to the incident.
So, I was off last week, but yesterday when I came in, my store manager advised me that you're my lawyer in the parking lot. I come on to use our bathroom to like shower and stuff. So yesterday I made contact with her. She was super rude and nasty to me. She's like, "Why are you talking to me? It's my job." So she was super short with me. I advised her, "Hey, you can't loiter here. You're not allowed to." So today, as I'm kicking everyone out, like I always do when I work in the morning, I see her car. So he's working all through there. I'm like, "Hey, you mind coming over there? Help me out, just verbally trespass her and get her out of here." Because she's parked over here. Super nasty right away with him, cursing at him, calling him names and everything. And then she just wouldn't leave. Like, told her like 100 times. She's like, "Hurry up and just leave. And then she just kept running her mouth, cursing everything. He's like, "If you don't leave, you're going to jail." And she's disrupting the business out of the parking lot. We got an thing going on, so if she's refusing to leave, we'll press charges. And then she didn't want to get out of the car. She was resisting him and everything, was fighting with him.
There you go.
Did it to herself.
Exactly.
Yanking all on me like I'm violent. Really? Because I was sleeping in my shit.
We're gonna swap. We're gonna swap handcuffs.
for.
Okay, spread your feet. We're gonna swap handcuffs.
Y'all already done had me arrested and put me in the wrong facility. In the wrong part of the jail already. So this, and I will, and this time I'll make sure I bring all that shit up and sue the out of y'all.
After Kilo 21 units.
On all 5 of my kids that y'all been keeping me away from.
They park your vehicle in the parking lot so it won't get caught. Okay? And the doors are locked.
After Kilo 21 units.
Walking all over this town for a whole year while y'all been sitting here pulling up on me for nothing, asking me am I okay.
Kilo
Y'all
21
know
units.
what's going on. Y'all know exactly what the going on. Patrice Green. Y'all already know my name. I don't want to hear that shit.
I don't know you. My first time.
You know me. You know exactly who I am.
I don't know you.
He know exactly. You can't talk to him. He know exactly who I am.
How do I know who you are? I've never met you before.
Yo, you met me before.
We got off on the wrong start.
Nah, no, we
We got on the
didn't.
wrong
No, we
foot,
didn't.
yeah.
With this fake ass resisting arrest, when you know I'm talking to you, asking you for your badge number, you yanked on me. You
I gave it
turned
to
my vehicle out and yanked me out of my shit. For asking for your badge number.
Because you're under arrest.
No, I wasn't under arrest. You made me under arrest because I asked you for your badge number, Officer Joseph.
Okay.
You made me under
See,
arrest
you
because
know
I
my
asked you for
name. You know my name.
because you gave it to me.
Okay.
And I don't know your badge number.
35206.
I need it. Oh, it's gonna be on my paperwork now. Don't worry, I got you. That's all I asked you for, and then you arrested
You want me
me.
to say slower? 35306.
No, you don't have to say it slower for him. Don't talk for him.
Patrice, do you have anything?
I don't have anything on me, and I didn't even want him touching me and touching on me.
Okay.
He searched me already, and he wasn't even supposed to touch on me. I didn't feel comfortable with him even touching all on me.
Okay, man.
I done been abused by y'all already,
You just step right up.
and I'm suing the for y'all.
Alright, let me see. I hope you win.
I hope I do too.
I can help you. The city.
3 months later.
This city. Y'all ain't did shit but badger me and whole life up and keep me away from my 5 children. And I've been homeless, busting my ass. Now I'm about to lose my
Good luck to you, ma'am.
for y'all shit, for y'all acting asses. No good luck to you. I hope you lose your job, both of y'all. Wipe your shit out.
She was charged with trespass after warning and resisting arrest. Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't.
So then we got another one. We got to get better. We got to learn how to interact with the police. We have to learn how to be good citizens in the world, to deal with other people. We got issues because, first off, we are not the most important thing in the world. And when you think you're the most important thing and everyone else is supposed to cater to you, you'll have misunderstandings. If you're sleeping in the parking lot, you homeless, you can't get mad when they tell you to move on. But if you feel like the world revolves around you and can't nobody tell you nothing, or what I think it is a lot of people, especially a woman like that, homeless, she's scared. She's scared. She's in a situation that's not under her control. And when people come and tell her to move on, she feels like being aggressive is the only way to defend herself. But it's a false defense. So if we learn to operate within the system, learn how to work better with the system, you get better outcomes. But that's just my opinion. This is Watchman Lee. The show is Watch With Me. Please do all the YouTube things, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what else you want me to watch. I think I'm going to leave the police videos for a little bit, watch something that's a little bit easier to digest, because watching this constantly starts to mess with you because you see everything as a confrontation. So I'm going to watch something light, maybe do some music, maybe do some TV shows, and then we'll get back to the police videos. So I will see you next time. You guys have a good one.